So welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making fried chicken. So we're going to be making fried drumsticks. So let's begin. So we're going to boil the chicken first of all. So I'm going to add about a litre of water. A sprinkle of salt. A teaspoon of crushed garlic, a teaspoon of garam masala. So we're just going to allow this to come to the boil. I'm not going to fully cook this, only half cook this. So while that's boiling, I'm going to be making the crispy coating for the chicken. So I'm going to be adding 8 tablespoons of plain flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cracked pepper, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, half a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic granules. I'm just going to mix this. Okay, that looks nicely mixed in. So the chicken looks done, so we only need it to be half done. So I'm going to turn it off the heat, allow this to cool down, and I'm going to drain this, and once it's cooled down we're going to apply the crispy coating. So my chicken has now cooled down. I have a bowl here with milk which I'm going to dip in. So first of all I'm going to dip in the chicken, the milk, then dip in with the flour base, and then we're just going to pop this on the side. Okay, so these are now coated and they are ready to fry. So we're going to fry these until they are lightly golden brown. Okay, these look now ready. I'm going to now just start taking these off. So here we go, our easy crispy fried chicken. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks guys for watching.